We have the Kittim. We have all these new themes. Now, what I'm going to say when we look at the Maccabee books is that this is the new themes of Hasidic literature. That the Maccabean army are referred to as the Hasidim or the Hasidains. To my mind, this is Hasidic literature connected with that movement that they represent. Now, this is not a typically Jewish view or a Christian view. It's just what comes out of the texts. It's just what you see. This is new literature. Enoch will be part of that literature. And a lot of the other things, 3 and 4 Maccabees that we're not going to read. A lot of apocalyptic literature that is still Jewish in this period comes out of this literature. Then I, Daniel, looked and saw 2 others standing, one on the near bank and one on the other side of the river. One was dressed in linen, like the 2 angels in Jesus' tomb, according to some Gospels. Some Gospels are 2 angels, one angel. It's all very confusing in the Gospel, the resurrection sequences. How long until these wonders take place? I heard the man speak who was dressed in linen standing further up the stream. He raised his right hand to heaven and swore by him who lives forever. A time, 2 times and a half. And all these things are going to happen when he who crushes the power of the holy people or the saints meets his end. So now we know that Antiochus Epiphanes survives 3.5 years. I think is that a time, 2 times, 3.5 years before he succumbs to whatever forces are at work in the Seleucid Empire I'm going to tell you about presently. My Lord, what is to be the outcome? Daniel, he said, go away. These words will remain secret and sealed until the time of the end. Many will be cleansed, made white. There's that being made white, purged. The wicked will go on being wicked. They will never understand. The learned will understand from the moment that the perpetual sacrifice is abolished and the disastrous abomination erected, 1,290 days. That's 3.5 years. Blessed is he who stands firm and attains 1,335 days. But you go and you will rise, well, I think I'm wrong here. Hold on. You will rise for your share at the end of time. Well, anyway, it's about, the point being that I guess the disastrous abomination was erected. I can't get the whole chronology of Daniel. I never could get it absolutely right. You can read some commentaries. Maybe you can get it better than me. But I think it's around 6.5 years before Judas the Maccabee restores the temple service and purifies the temple in what Jews today call Hanukkah, which means rededication. So I think that's basically it. So look, we'll have sorry that thing is so long, but now we can really speed up. 13 is just the Susanna story, according to some Bibles don't even have it. It's not important. We've read what is important. We have our chronology. Now we can go to the Maccabee books after the break and get moving down to the Roman period. Then we can move into the story. But let's get moving. See you at 20.